This video is for the 7th grade Tech Blog Assignment 2, First Topic, Post, and Citation. First, open a new tab, then click on the 3x3 grid, and then click on Drive. From here, what you're going to do is click up at the top where it says Search Drive, and then you're going to type in the word Finding to get the Finding Reliable Websites document, and click on it when it appears. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, click on the link under Website 1, then click on the link that appears underneath it. Then what you'll do is you'll read through and find a sentence that you want to use for your post. So, when you go back to Google Drive, you're going to go back to Google Drive now that you have your website open. And then this time we're going to erase where it says Finding, and we're just going to type in blog, and you're going to look for the document where you started your blog posts during last class. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to add a new post. So this post is about Instagram and depression. So actually what you're going to do is just title it. So in this case, why Instagram is the worst app for depression. And then what you want to do is give a sentence that tells what your topic is, and then say according to the author and the year, and then you're going to copy and paste a sentence. So for example, when I go back to my article, I had copied and pasted this sentence right here that says, it is most likely to cause young people to feel depressed, anxious, and lonely, according to a UK-wide study by the Royal Society of Public Health. So you'll notice that on my work, it says that exact quote, and it's in quotation marks. And then the last thing you're going to do is give your opinion about the topic. So then what you're going to do is once you've finished that post, you're going to click and drag to highlight the paragraphs and hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to open a new tab, and you're going to click on Mail. Then from here, what you're going to do, if any of these pop-ups appear, just go ahead and click the blue buttons. So at this point, you should be the person who did not start the website last class, because you should see an email from Weebly in your inbox. You're going to click on that email from Weebly, and then it's going to have a blue link that shows that your partner invited you to edit the blog. You're just going to click on that blue link, and then click Login with Google+. So now you should be on the blog that your partner started during last class. If you see a drafts button, you might not. If you don't, skip this part. Anyway, if you see drafts, click on it. Click the draft that appears. Make sure that it's completed, and then click on Post. Anyway, if that doesn't appear, don't worry about that part. What you will do, however, is click on New Post at the bottom right corner. And next, we're going to add a post title. So click where it says Post Title. And then you would type in your title. So for example, Instagram and depression. Then from here, what you're going to do is click and drag a text box to go underneath the title and the date. It might end up scrolling down a little bit too far like that. That's okay. That's where you want the text box. Then you're going to click where it says click here to edit. And then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard. And that's going to paste your blog post. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the article that you used. And you're going to click up at the top to highlight the URL. From here, hit Control C on your keyboard. Next, you'll open a new tab. And in this new tab, you're going to go to easybib.com. Next, from here, you'll click I only want to create citations. Whoops, it just moved a bit. So scroll down to get that back. Click I only want to create citations. Right there. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to hit Control V on your keyboard, and that's going to paste the URL down here, and then you're going to click Cite. Then click the Cite button. And then from here, what you're going to do is scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the Continue button. Click on Continue. Next, what you'll do is you'll scroll down and make sure that all the information is filled in. If it's not, you might have to go back to the article to find the information, but in this case, it's all filled in. Scroll down about halfway and you'll see the Complete Citation button. Click on that button. If this appears, click the orange button and just give your ad a chance to go through. So unfortunately, skip ahead about 30 seconds right now because I have to watch the ad. Okay, now that the ad is over, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down maybe about halfway, and you're going to see your citation here, and you're going to click the 3 dots next to it, and then click on Copy to Clipboard. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click back over to Weebly, and then you're going to just click right after your post, so you should skip a line. And then you're going to type Works Cited, just like you see here, and then hit Enter on your keyboard. And then from here, what you're going to do is hit Control V on your keyboard, and that's going to paste your citation. The last thing you'll do is post it, so you'll click on Post, and that's it.